Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Kidney Expert presented by Karma Ayurveda. Here you get all notifications and updates about kidneys and Ayurveda. Have you ever wondered that there are different types of proteinuria too? There are a total of 6 different types of protein leakage in your urine. In this video, we are going to tell you all the details about the types of proteinuria. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss a new video. Protein in your blood is very essential as it acts like a building block for the body. This protein is a source of energy for your organs and helps in body and muscle building. Let me tell you that it also prevents infections and maintains fluid balance in the body. The main function of our kidney is to filter the blood in our body and eliminate the excessive and unwanted waste, chemicals and toxins from our body. This includes an excess amount of protein as well. When the excess of protein starts getting removed from the body, it becomes a difficult situation. This excess of protein in the urine causes kidney damage and this is called proteinuria. There could be different types of protein leakage in your urine that have different effects and different consequences. There are these different types of proteinuria and they all act differently on the body, and these are transient proteinuria. Excessive exercise or pregnancy can cause transient proteinuria. This remains for a temporary period and is not that harmful. And transient proteinuria can be cured by good workout and reducing the consumption of protein from your diet. The second one is orthostatic proteinuria. When there is loss of excess protein in a particular area, it causes orthostatic proteinuria. This type of proteinuria is linked with a certain position and area, which means you would have protein leakage in urine only if you are in a certain position like standing or sitting. It can be easily cured with regular yoga and exercises. Then comes glomerular proteinuria. Glomerular disease causes leakage of protein in urine which leads to glomerular proteinuria. At this time, you see a foamy urine with a foul smell. This glomerular disease can cause fluid to build up in your body. And you must know that this problem needs a correct medical checkup. The next one is tabular protein. Tubulointerstitial disease, which impairs the protein's recombination process, causes tabular protein. In this type of proteinuria, your body stops absorbing protein and it leaves through urine, giving it a sign of protein loss. This type of proteinuria requires mild medication. Another type of proteinuria is overproduction of protein. Excess intake of protein in the form of food or supplements can also lead to proteinuria. This is a simple type of proteinuria. In this, you are probably consuming large amounts of protein, that is, more than your body requires. To cure this, start eating food that is limited in protein. The last one is post-renal proteinuria. This type of proteinuria causes inflammation in the urinary tract at first and then affects the health of the kidney and eventually it leads to severe kidney damage. This is a very serious condition and if you are facing this, it is important to book your appointment right now. So in this video, we have shared with you all the detailed information about proteinuria and its types. We will be back with new information where we would give the details of symptoms and cause of proteinuria. And remember, it is very important to take care of your kidneys. They need your attention from time to time. Also, if you are facing any kidney disease and are concerned about your kidney-friendly diet, no need to worry as we have got all your problems covered. We, Karma Ayurveda, are a reputed kidney care institution where Ayurveda is the key to treat all kidney disorders. We are acclaimed internationally for our 100% naturally produced herbs and authentic Ayurvedic traditional healing. If you or anyone in your family has any kidney problem, get Ayurvedic treatment from our kidney specialist Dr. Puneet Dhawan. Our address and contact number is being displayed on your screens. We hope you liked our video and it has solved all your queries about the topic. For more information on kidney-related problems, please subscribe and press the bell icon for all the updates from us. If you have come this far, please click the like button if you liked the video. Share your thoughts about the video in the comment section as we would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching the video.